Well, I had to backtrack to Bald Knob because Dobson Knob over there sucked. There's like no views. There's one new view that they clear cutted, bushwhacked down. It was terrible. So, but back on Bald Knob on the other side, got this awesome view of what I was supposed to see, I think, on Dobson. So, got some pretty awesome stuff over here. Black Mountains, obviously, like right in front of us here. Mount Mitchell, Big Tom, all those up there. I saw earlier, it's probably hard to see in the haze, but out there somewhere is, oh, I forgot the name of it. Bear Wallow Mountain, right around Lake Lure. You can see the towers on top of it. And anyway, blabbing. Gorgeous day. A beautiful day, beautiful place. Always get excited about new hikes I've never been on, and especially when they got incredible views like this. So